Howdy, everybody. This is Brian Tackett with your tips and tricks on insurance. We're going to cover the final myth on life insurance: buy term and invest the difference. Let me give you some thoughts on that. So, you buy term for 20 bucks, let's say, and let's say that the investors that talk about permanent life insurance, that it's kind of a bad deal because it costs more. So, if your term costs 20 and your permanent life insurance costs 100, what they teach is buy the term for 20 and take that $80 difference and invest it. Hey, I have 17 years in that industry. I got 23 years in life insurance industry. I think I bring a holistic approach. And so it takes all three. You got to save for the future, absolutely. But the problem is that we're going to die. The question is when, and we have no idea. We could live into our hundreds. I volunteered at a nursing home, and there's a 103-year-old. But what if you die tomorrow? And so I think it takes all three, because if you buy term and invest the difference and those markets go south on you later in life, like 60s, 70s, or 80s, and you lose a tremendous amount of your value of your investment, what happens? Because now the term is over. I mean, you rented it for a period of time, whatever you can choose, up to max of 30 years. That's the max you can get. So let's say you rented it for 30 years, and now you're 60 or 70, your life insurance is gone, your investments just went south. And then what are you going to do? What happens if you need some cash, liquid, real quick, whatever the case may be? Or what if you're in your 30s and 40s, you get disabled, you get sick, hurt, can't work anymore? It requires all three. And so if your professional is not doing a complete needs analysis on you, what's your goals, what's your plans, what's your needs? We do a complete analysis, takes 15 minutes. We're going to ask you a series of questions, find out kind of what your demographic is, kind of where you're at in life, and then put together what I call a survivorship plan. And that's going to cover everything. If the market goes south, you're going to be okay because you have the other two legs to kind of hold it up, if you will. So, and when your term runs out, you still have the permanent there to carry you out into later years of life. And so let me just visit with you. My information is going to be below. Make sure you subscribe and then like and comment. That really helps us out a lot. And let's get some dialogue going. I'd like to see what your comments are about buy term and invest the difference. What do you think about that? What's your philosophy? I'd love to dialogue. I want you to have a super day. Thanks for your time. This is Brian Tackett signing out. Until next time, take care and be safe.